Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we're gonna learn how to see all your invites to like a page on Facebook. This will be super quick and easy tutorial. Now let's get started. The first thing that we need to do is open the Facebook app on our phone. Now I want you to click on the menu icon located at the top right corner of the screen or the bottom right corner of the screen, whichever it is on your end. Now I want you to click on Pages and you just need to click on Invitations. And that's it. That's how you view all your invites to like a page on Facebook. As you can see, these are all the invites that I receive. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click that notification bell for more videos like this. Thanks for watching!